Hey, how's it going, YouTube? I wanted to make a video because I'm actually removing some backsplash tile for some people, and I couldn't find a video anywhere about someone giving a tutorial on how to remove backsplash tile really efficiently. So I figured I would do a video and show you all. This is kind of where I'm at. These people are renovating their kitchen a little bit, painting cabinets and redoing backsplash. We're gonna do I'm going to put in white subway tiles instead of this more dated stuff. So right here I pulled the oven out. I don't see, you can see where the oven was plugged in there. So I'm kind of getting back behind the oven a little bit, but I was in the middle of it and I thought to myself, oh, I should totally demonstrate how to do this. So it's going to be loud, get ready, and what I'm doing is I'm just using a basic hammer, you can use any kind of hammer, like a framing hammer or something like that, or I wouldn't use anything bigger than like a mini sledge. But I'm just going corner to corner, like bam, 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 bam. And I hit it from corner to corner. You don't want to hit the same place more than once because it'll actually create a hole in the drywall. And you don't want that. But this actually is really efficient and it doesn't put a lot of holes in your drywall because all the other methods I saw, they create holes in the drywall that need patching. And this is way easier. So watch me. So once you get to this point, it's just a matter of flaking it off, and you can even just do it with your hand. Just kind of comes right off. There's really no method to this, but it just kind of, you can see, flakes right off. And then, as long as the homeowners are okay with you making a lot of noise, then you're good to go. Sometimes you're gonna kind of have to get a couple taps like that, but it all comes right down. Kind of just falls down. And then, you just want to have a 5-gallon bucket. In my case, I just have, this bucket right here. I put all my bits in, and yeah, it's noisy, it's therapeutic, and it's more efficient. Can't go wrong. All right, guys, thanks for watching.